The Court of Appeal in Abuja has rejected the request by suspended Chuef Justice of Nigeria (CJN) Walter Onnoghen to stay proceedings in the charge pending against him before the Code of Conduct Tribunal (CCT), pending the determination of his appeal. In a unanimous ruling yesterday, a three-man panel, led by Justice Abdul Aboki, dismissed Justice Onnoghen's application. The court said in view of the provision of Section 306 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act (CJA), it lacked the power to stay proceedings in criminal cases. By the ruling, the CCT is now free to resume proceedings in the charge before it. In the lead ruling read by Justice Aboki, the Court of Appeal said Justice Onnoghen's prayers, in his application, run contrary to the spirit of the provision of Section 306 of the ACJA. The court referred to the Supreme Court's decision in the case of Bukola Saraki against the Federal Republic of Nigeria, where Justice Onnoghen contributed to the apex court's decision, declining to stop Saraki's trial in view of the same Section 306 of ACJA, which prohibits granting of stay of proceedings in criminal cases. It was of the court's view that there were no special circumstances requiring the court to grant Justice Onnoghen's prayers in the application argued for him by Wole Olanapekan, San. The court reused all the prayers in the application and proceeded to dismiss it. The court elected to accelerate the hearing of the main appeal by the suspended CJN. Justice Aboki said, "I am of the view that the application for stay of proceedings before the court ought to be refused. It is hereby refused. The appeal will be granted accelerated hearing." A member of the panel, Justice Stephen Ada, stressed that Section 306 of Administration of Criminal Justice Act does not allow a stay of proceedings in criminal matters. He explained that the interim order granted at the last sitting was to allow the court to assume jurisdiction and to make an order in the matter. "The motion on notice is dismissed," he said. The court adjourned till February 4 for the hearing of the main appeal by Justice Onnoghen. Justice Onnoghen is, by his appeal, challenging the ruling of the CCT, delivered on January 14. He is contending that while his challenge of the tribunal's jurisdiction was still unresolved, the CCT cannot conduct any other business.